As you know, of the many races, creeds and religions that inhabit the vast subcontinent of India, there are two major nations, the Hindus and Muslims. 100 millions of Muslims cannot be characterized as a minority. We are 70 millions in the northwestern and northeastern zones of India. We constitute a majority of 70% against the caste Hindus in these homelands of ours. We want the division of India into Hindustan and Pakistan because that is the only practical solution.
मुखालिफिन जब पाकिस्तान को बनने से न रोक सके तो अपनी तमाम मसाई इस गरज से बरूए कार लाए कि हमारी हासिल करदा आज़ादी का गला घोंट दिया जाए।
साल के 3 दिन हमारे मुल्क की तारीख में बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं। 25 के 100 में पैदाइश, 14 अगस्त कायद आज़म की तमाम उम्र की कोशिशों का शानदार महाहासिल है।
In the midst of this deepening tragedy, however, a new wonderful phenomenon was steadily emerging. It was the power of resilience of the people of Pakistan. The carefree attitude and life gave place to a determination to make Pakistan an abiding reality. And with one voice they declared that Pakistan had come to stay.
My dear countrymen, Assalamu alaikum. I am speaking to you tonight under the threat of war in Kashmir, which is being forced on us by India. The exchange of desultory fire, which had been going on for months across the ceasefire line in Jammu and Kashmir, has now assumed a grimmer aspect. In certain sectors, the armies of two countries have clashed.
That if they have any idea of taking a chunk of my territory in East Pakistan and think this is not war, let me warn you, and I warn the world, that this will mean war, an overall war, which I hate, I don't like. But for the defense of my country, I must then fight an all-out war. And that will mean war here in West Pakistan.
But we want a free slate, a clean slate, to arrive at a settlement between the genuine leaders of Bengal, of Muslim Bengal, and the genuine leaders of West Pakistan. And I believe we can come to a fair settlement within the concept of one Pakistan, of a united Pakistan. No matter how loose that federation is, no matter how loose that arrangement is, have faith, have confidence in your elected leaders. I've already taken certain action, strong action, which no ordinary man would have taken tonight, in removing some of the fat and flabby generals. So please, the armed forces, believe me, we are part of the nation. We will support you. We will stand by you. We will redeem this day.
मिस्टर भुट्टो की हुकूमत ख़त्म हो चुकी है, सारे मुल्क में मार्शल नाफिज कर दिया गया है. I have no intentions to reorganize the political parties. We are very seriously considering whether the number of parties should be limited or not. अगरचे कादियानी और अहमदियों की को मौजूदा हुकूमत के बरसर इक़्तिदार आने से पहले ही गैर मुस्लिम अक़लियत करार दिया जा चुका था कि मुल्क में इंशाअल्लाह जमहूरियत आएगी, लेकिन ये इस्लामी रंग क्यों?
It is in fact a military coup. My house was surrounded by the military. My office, other government offices, telephone, television, all taken over by the military. We are right now poised on the threshold between democracy and dictatorship.
That at the time of the Afghan war, the entire West landed over here and helped create holy warriors whose job it was to go into Afghanistan and fight a holy war. And when that holy war ended, the West packed its bags and left. And it left countries like Pakistan, Egypt, Algeria, and others picking up the pieces of warriors that had been trained and wanted new wars to fight.
Pakistan People's Party is entering this campaign with a promise to bring peace to South Asia. I promise our youth that we will create the conditions in South Asia that can lead to progress and prosperity.
मुझे सा बंदा भी 10 दफ़ा सोचता है यार ये मसाइल हल होंगे कैसे, इतने बड़े बड़े मसाइल हैं.
Peace and normalization between Pakistan and India cannot be achieved without a resolution of the Kashmir dispute. This is an objective evaluation, not a partisan position. Burhan Wani, the young leader murdered by Indian forces, has emerged as a symbol of the latest Kashmiri इंतिफादा.
आप जानते हैं कि दुनिया भर में सरकारी मुलाजमतों का दायरा मुसलसल कम होता चला जा रहा है. पाकिस्तान में भी सरकारी नौकरियों की गुंजाइश आबादी के तनासुब से कम है और कम होती जा रही है.
We shall preserve the integrity and sovereignty of our country to the last drop of our blood. I request you all to remain calm and support your armed forces in the re-establishment of order to pave the way for a prosperous future for Pakistan.
Well, I think they can't be called weaker. I think the complexity of terrorism has increased, and the complexity has increased because now there are the extremists in Pakistan society and the Mujahideen group who are fighting who have public sympathy in Pakistan, fighting against the Indian army in Kashmir. All of them are developing a nexus with each other.
Nuclear technology is a huge subject, so it's not that one little Taliban can come down and press a button. There is no button. So I want to assure the world that the nuclear capability of Pakistan is under safe hands.
मैं समझता हूँ कि हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोच रखनी चाहिए और ब्रिटेन और हमारा बहुत पुराना साथ है, हमारा जिसे कहते हैं चोली दामन का साथ है और इतनी आसानी से हम कहाँ जाने देंगे इन्हें। जब तक हम दिमाग और दिल की जंग नहीं जीतेंगे तो हम फिजिकल जंग जीत भी जाएं तो वो जीत ना होगी,
ठीक
समझे। तो उसमें मैं समझता हूँ कि सॉफ्ट पावर की ज़रूरत है।
They do not realize that if they do not intervene right now, this has consequences not just, as I said, on the subcontinent, on world trade. Everyone will be affected by this. 42% पाकिस्तानियों के पास टॉयलेट फैसिलिटीज हैं। ये भी दिखाया कि हिंदुस्तान पिछले 4 साल में वो इस चीज के ऊपर काबू पा रहा है, हमारे से आगे निकल गया, हमारे हालात थे उनके भी। On the border region of Germany and Japan, they had joint industries. So now there's no question of them ever having bad relations because their economic interests are tied together.